Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on how to fix oversized waistband. If you have jeans in your wardrobe or trousers you're not wearing because of this particular problem, the jean is oversized on the waist parts, this is a quick tutorial on how to fix it. So give this video a thumbs up and let's get into this video, guys. Guys, before we get into the main video, this is a quick tip for you. If you have this problem on your jean, on the zipper part, this is an easy way for you to fix this problem. So yeah, on to the main video. To fix this oversized issue, I'll be using an elastic band. That is what I'll be using to fix the oversize on the waist. I'll go ahead and use my seam ripper, or you can use your razor to open up the waistband on the jean and then open it up a little bit. That's at the back panel of the jean. Open it up a little bit and then you pass your elastic band through the waistband and you pin this at the point you want it to be, and then you pin the other end too at the point you want it to be. Make sure you stretch this at its limits and then you sew them up. Once I was done fixing this side of the back panel, I will move over to the next side, the other side of the back panel, and repeat the same step I just did. You guys, don't be scared to stretch the elastic band to its limit. It's an elastic band, yeah, so just don't be scared to stretch it to its limit. And so once you're done passing it through the band, the waistband, and you stretch it, make sure you pin this down first so it doesn't pull out, it doesn't shrink back to its normal size. Make sure you pin this down before you take it to your machine to sew. And once you're done sewing it, make sure you close your band back, close it back. So guys, if you like this video you just watched, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe to my channel. Yeah, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. Welcome to the family. And you can go ahead and click on my channel page to see other previous video I have on how to refashion your old shirts, how to refashion your old jeans into a skirt or a jacket, or even so. Yeah, and don't forget to comment on the comment section below. If you have anything to say to me, please go ahead and comment. I want to see your comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. I'll be seeing you on my next video. There are no goodbyes here. I'll be seeing you.